Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to just discuss one of the very important things for handwriting tricks, and that is, I should say, slant. I must write here, slant. Slant plays a really important role in writing legible, and it will help the reader to read clearly. What we do is that we have to maintain the angle, as I have written it like slant in this angle. See, so the slant is same. See, if I let's see this, and this, they all have almost same angle. This is called slant or tilt. We called it tilt to tilting. Tilt, same angle once again. You got it? So we have to maintain the angle. It should be same. You can write straight, it's okay. If I am writing like pencil, well, my handwriting is not really well in straight one. Pencil. See, the angle is same. And don't worry about the cursive or the connection or just chaining the letters. You can write like this, like if I want to write country. Or if you don't want to make chain, then it's okay, you can write like this. It's about maintaining the slant. All right, it's about maintaining the slant. There you go. I have done here a very little slant, very little slant, right? And here very light slant. Keep the slant, and if you write like this, like country, if I am writing, this is straight, this is straight, and this is tilt, and this is tilt here, and this is tilt here, and this is straight, and this is tilt. So it will be looking really awkward. So first you have to decide how you want to write. Like if you want to write, let me fix it. If you want to write like this is straight, or this is straight, or this tilt or slanted, or you want heavy slanting, right? But this is right, this is right, this is right, but what is the wrong slanting? This, like this. If I'm writing like legend, it is bad. Have you ever seen anywhere that it is being written like in that left side? It is tilting towards the left side. That's how it's wrong. You must haven't seen it anywhere in your book, on the screen, or anywhere else. So this is straight, this is straight, and this is tilt or slanted, or you can and just both towards right, but not this one. This one is highly slanted at the right side, but this is wrong. This is totally wrong. Never do like this. I have seen people writing in that manner. So don't do that. Keep practicing, keep working. Just forget about everything. First, you have to decide how you want to write. How you want to write. Slant or just straight? And if slant, then how much slant? See the sentence. All letters are aligned in same slant. You can see even this question mark too. All letters are aligned in same slant. You can see even this question mark too.
Did it really help? Let me know in the comments.
Let us know, please.